How to log someone out of your Facebook account. Now, let's say you are suspicious that someone might be using your Facebook account and someone might be logged into your Facebook account. So in order for them to be logged out, all you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until you see Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center and scroll down until you find Password and Security right here. Now, all you have to do is to tap on where you're logged in right here and tap on your Facebook account right here. Now, once you're here, you will be able to see every phone, every devices that has been logged in to your Facebook account. Now, in order for you to log them out of your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap on Select Devices to log out right here and tap on that specific device and log them out right here. So that's how to log someone out of your Facebook account. Hope we helped.